Shanna,
Yeah.
what are you doing?
Picking blackberries.
Picking blackberries?
Yeah.
Aren't they thorny?
Yes, but I'm being careful.
You're being careful.
Yeah.
Are you filling the bottle with the blackberries?
Yeah.
Did you eat some of them?
Yes.
How are they?
Good.
Huh? Do you like them?
Yeah.
Are you not scared of the thorns? Because you have thorns straight in front of you. Are you not scared of them?
No.
No? Why?
They're okay. You would hit myself with them.
Is it?
Also big thorns.
Big thorns. Yes, they are big thorns, aren't they? But you are not scared, are you?
Yeah.
You're very brave.
Shanna,
How much blackberries did you get? How many did you get?
I don't know.
Wow.